Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Omensmirk mask. This unique helm is a fantastic piece of gear for many builds, offering a valuable 2-point boost to your strength stat. The best part is, obtaining it is quite straightforward, as it's a guaranteed drop from a specific enemy. We'll guide you through the exact location and the simple steps to add this powerful mask to your collection. To begin your journey, you'll want to fast travel to the Avenue Balcony site of Grace within Lanedell, the royal capital. From there, head southwest, carefully descending the stairwells and traversing the various walkways. The path can be a bit winding, so pay close attention to your surroundings. You're aiming for the lower capital church, which is your key destination for this valuable item. Once you arrive at the lower capital church, you'll find a formidable omen killer patrolling the area directly outside. This is the enemy you need to defeat. Prepare for a challenging but rewarding fight. Upon successfully defeating this particular omen killer for the very first time, the Omensmirk mask will be yours, a guaranteed drop without any need for repeated farming. The Omensmirk mask is a fantastic addition to your arsenal, especially if you're running a strength-based character. It provides a solid 2-point increase to your strength stat, which can be crucial for meeting weapon requirements or boosting your damage. With its excellent poise-to-weight ratio, offering 6 poise for just 3 weight, it's a highly efficient piece of armor. Enjoy your new, powerful headpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.